like that. Hey guys, how's it going? We're just doing a lower ball joint replacement on the 97 Tacoma right now, and I'd say it's going pretty well. I mean, we've already got the ball joint pretty much removed. All we gotta do is knock it loose from this bracket here, and then we'll be well on the way. So, let's get to it. And there you have it. Very quick and easy how to replace the front ball joints on an independent front suspension pickup truck. It's the same on basically any vehicle, like if you had a Toyota 4Runner or a Nissan Pathfinder or a Ford Explorer.